As the Foo Fighters sang on their album Colour and Shape in 1997, February stars floating in the dark, temporary scars, February stars. No, I've no idea what they meant by that either, but hey, who don't like a bit of the Foo Fighters now and again? Anyway, time to sort out Monday Matters right here on Gary's Stuff. Hello there, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today indeed is Monday Matters. And as usual, I'll have a look at some of the news of the week. I'll be having a look at what I've been up to on my bench. And I'll be talking about this week's featured kit of the week. All these bits come as chapters, so you can hop backwards and forwards as your heart desires. Now, if you'd like to support the channel at no cost to yourself, best thing to do is either subscribe. Make sure also that you hit the bell, and then you'll be notified of all my future videos, and of course anything you see on the channel that you like. Give it the old imperial thumbs up on the like button below, because every like counts. If you'd like to make a more concrete contribution to the channel, you can do that through super thanks by becoming a channel member or by using any of my online partner programs. Now, before we move on to the news, just a quick reminder, this Tuesday, being the third Tuesday of the month, is live stream day, or evening anyway. I will be live streaming from 8 till 10 in the evening UK time, 2000 to 2200 Zulu, if that means anything to you. I'll just be chatting about this and that and answering any questions you care to send in, and chat amongst yourselves. If you want, I'll be making something on my bench as we go through the evening. I did do a poll as to how you like the presentation, whether you like one picture with loads of chat on the screen, or just a picture of me making stuff, or just a picture of me doing stuff, or whether you didn't care very much one way or the other because you don't watch it. But the winner was keep it the same way as it is. So that makes life easy for me. That's what I'll be doing. So Tuesday, 20th of February at 8 p.m. UK time, 2000 Zulu. That's when we'll start 2 hours of just chat, banter, random nonsense, and I hope quite a lot of fun as well. Hope to see you there. Okay, enough of all this. Let's get on and have a look at the news of the week. DBMK has announced that it is getting into the Spitfire market with a range of Griffon engine marks, all in one 32nd scale. The intention is to create a core of kits around the marks 14, 22 and 24, but then expand into other marks of Spitfire and Seafire, which means, yes, they will be making a 1/32nd scale Seafire FR47. I will have 2 of those. KOVOZAVODY PROSTEJOV has announced a new toolkit of the LET L410 Turbolet regional airliner in 1/72nd scale. As usual with KP, a range of other schemes and types has been announced. It should be a pretty substantial kit, around 27 centimeters or 11 inches in span. Fans of early commercial airlines will like this new 1/72nd scale resin kit of the short Scion 2 from DEKNO. It will come with decals for either Plymouth Airport Limited or Palestine Airways Limited. Much later came one of the stranger planes that occasionally visited Heathrow in my youth, the VFW614, with the engines mounted above the wings. I'm familiar with the markings of Terrain Air Transport, but the kit is also available in examples from Kimber Air and Air Alsace. Marking for Luftwaffe aircraft will be available soon. Oh, and by the way, if you've got the 2024 Airfix Club kit of the Typhoon and Spitfire 19, then CT Scale Models has the mask set for you. This combo mask covers both aircraft. Of course, you can buy them individually as well. RESKIT has this 1/48th scale kit of the MJ1A Jammer lift truck. It also comes in 4 other versions, so you'll be sure it is era appropriate for your aircraft to load up its weapons. For a simple display base, MINIART has this new set of the Marston Mat system in 1/48 scale. This comes as two matte segments moulded in plastic. You can use either separately or put them together. From French company BLITZ comes this new resin kit of the Renault R40 tank in 1/35th scale. They also have this intriguing P19C6 half-tracked saloon, which can be purchased with the hood up or down. I know that many of you will be excited to hear that Atlantic Models plans to release a 1/350th scale kit of HMS Fearless later this year. Atlantic is rightly famous for its photo etch sets, so this kit should be a real must-have for fans of Falklands-era Royal Naval vessels. And finally, a happy new year to all of you who follow the lunar calendar. Now, for some unaccountable reason, TAKOM seems to be celebrating with the launch of a 1/350th scale kit of the Russian A-135 ballistic missile defense complex of the type designed to protect Moscow from missile attack. The kit will be about 37 centimeters or 14 inches wide at the base. Nothing says Happy New Year of the Dragon better than the ballistic missile defense complex. On my bench this week, I've had a couple of box reviews. The first was the Dora Wings Fairy Delta 2 in 1/72nd scale. It looks amazing in the box. The plastic looked great. Everything looks superb. Got to tell you, the build is just as good. I've been building it this week. The build video will be appearing on the channel later this week. It's an absolute stunner. If you're a fan of this kind of 60s research aircraft, you really need to grab yourself one of these kits. It's an absolute beauty. My one's in varnish at the moment. It will be on the channel in a couple of days' time, I suspect. I also did an inbox review of the Airfix Fairy Rotodyne in 1/72nd, a vintage classics kit. Maybe not quite so good, maybe not so easy fitting, but anyway, I'll be starting building that very, very soon as well. I have had quite a lot of builds going on in the background. The week's actually been a bit like that sort of famously serene swan you see going around rivers, and underneath it's paddling like anything to keep it going. Pretty much how things have been this week. So I have a few build videos that will be coming up this week and next week of things I've been up to. There'll be some more inbox reviews. There will be the first reveal video of the second Matchbox Challenge kit from Simon. That will be coming this week as well. That's very exciting. And I will be shooting these. I've just had a delivery from ICM, so I'll be shooting some more inbox reviews from them as well. And that brings me on to this week's featured kit of the week, and it is indeed from ICM. It's the Junkers 88P, the tank buster version in 1/48th scale. As well as having a look at the actual kit itself, I'll have a look at a bit of the background of the kit and also a little bit of the background of the aircraft. I think you'll love this thing. I really think you'll enjoy the video as well. There's so much more content. You really don't want to miss anything. The best way to make sure you don't is subscribe to the channel, hit that bell, and you'll be notified at no extra cost to you. And of course, anything you see on the channel that you enjoy, please do give it the old imperial thumbs up on the like button below, because every like counts. Thank you so very much for watching. Hope to see you on Tuesday for the live stream or on the channel for any of the other content coming up. Take very good care now, and goodbye.